Now, let's talk about comments in XML. It is possible to put comments in here because really what you may be creating is more or less a program that other people are going to see. I'm going to take out our escape character from the previous example. And let's say that we want to put a comment into this document to explain what this document is. Notice the syntax here, very important. Open it, put an exclamation point, put 2 dashes. Then, this is a list that means nothing. Then I'll put my 2 dashes and close it. Now, if I save this, you know what's going to happen, right? I open it up. I see my comment here in Internet Explorer. Now, let's go take a look in some other things and see if it continues to show up out there. And what I'm getting at here is you got to be careful with these comments. And notice the comments show up here. Now, with the comments, a couple of things you've got to watch. First of all, they can appear anywhere in here. I can move this comment. For example, I'll cut it and I can paste it right here. Now, the wrap made it look a little funny there. If I save that, try to run it, notice that shows up down there. So I can put it anywhere, before my root, after my root, anywhere like that. Now, here's the deal. You got to watch this close. This is not an element. It's a comment. And it's not treated like an element anywhere in XML processing. So applications that read and process this document may drop them, or it may contain them. Now in this instance, Internet Explorer and Firefox is choosing to hang on to them and show them to you. Other applications may not, and that's the standard. These things do not have to be passed along. Now this is obviously very important to you when you're building your XML documents, because it's a great way to embed information about the document to yourself or to someone else who may be using this. If I'm creating an XML document sending you data, if I can put a comment section in there, then I can explain to you what's going on with this document. Now, a couple of rules here. Once I open it with double hyphens, I can't put double hyphens anywhere else in here or it's going to confuse it. Notice, if I open this, now it's saying, wait a minute, I got a problem here. I don't see a closing symbol. So I can't do that. Also, I can't use 3 dashes anywhere in here either. Now, the next thing you need to understand about comments, this is not a processing instruction. Anything that needs to happen when this document is read needs to be included in a processing instruction like this, and that has the question marks on the beginning and end, because the parsers will read this. They will not necessarily read this. So make sure you understand. Now, how many comments can you put in? That's the age-old question for every developer. Put in as many as you need to explain what's going on either to yourself or to anybody else who's going to use this. So that's the bottom line on comments in XML.